Top disadvantages of tile countertops. Dear friends, tile countertops are a popular choice in many homes because they are affordable and available in many colors and designs. However, before choosing tile countertops for your kitchen or bathroom, it is important to understand their disadvantages. One of the biggest drawbacks of tile countertops is the grout lines between the tiles. Grout can easily collect dirt, grease, and food particles, especially in kitchen areas. Over time, these grout lines may become stained and difficult to clean, making the countertop look old and unhygienic. Another disadvantage is maintenance. Grout often needs regular sealing to prevent moisture and stains from penetrating the surface. If it is not maintained properly, the grout can crack or discolor, which reduces the overall appearance of the countertop. Tile countertops can also be uneven. Because they are made of individual tiles, the surface may not be perfectly smooth. This can make food preparation slightly inconvenient and may cause small items like glasses or cutting boards to wobble. Durability is another concern. While tiles themselves are strong, they can chip or crack if heavy objects are dropped on them. Replacing a damaged tile can also be difficult if the same design is no longer available. Finally, tile countertops may look outdated compared to modern options like quartz or solid surface countertops. Many homeowners today prefer seamless surfaces that are easier to clean and maintain. For these reasons, it is important to carefully consider the disadvantages before selecting tile countertops for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.